Hello guys, welcome to another video of additional mathematics. In these video sets, we are going to solve questions from your textbook one by one. If you do not want to miss our videos, please do subscribe to our channel right now. Let's start today's question.
Hey guys, this question is as in the examination. Let's substitute in the formula, right? So Laplace of f of t is nothing but, we know the formula, that is 1 over 1 minus e power minus s into capital T. Capital T is a period. What is given? A. So just take A here. And there are two limits or the intervals that has given. So let's take them. This is an interval from where to where? From 0 to a by 2. What is the function? E, and we have to integrate with respect to dt. Let's write that. Plus, again I need to consider integration from where to where? A by 2 to a, and have to again consider minus e power minus s into t dt. Right? So let's try to put it back. So Laplace of f of t is nothing but 1 over 1 minus e power minus s into a. So e is a number, let's take it out. Integration of 0 to a by 2 e power minus s into t dt, plus again minus e is a number, let's take minus e outside and I will be left with integration a by t to a e power minus st into dt. Right? Now let's integrate this. 1 over 1 minus e power minus s into a, right? E is both common, so let's take e here. So e power minus st integration is e power minus st over minus s. What are the limits given in the question? 0 to a by 2, right? Plus into minus is minus, and integration of e power minus st is again e power minus st over minus s. What are the limits? A by 2 to a. So let's substitute all that limits into the question. So let's take minus s common. So we get e over minus s, and we have 1 minus e power minus sa here, right? So let's substitute the limits. If I substitute the limits, we get e power minus s a by 2, right? And this is the upper limit minus, what is the lower limit? 0. So I'll get 1 and minus. Let's substitute upper limit. We get e power minus s into a, and let's substitute lower limit. We'll get minus into minus, we'll get plus e power minus sa by 2. Now what can we solve? We can solve that e by, this cannot be solved any further, so let's keep it in the same way, e power minus sa, right? And here, so we can see there is a minus here. Let's multiply that inside. So minus into minus is plus, plus e power minus s into a. Is that cool? And this get added, and that will get plus 2. So we'll multiply minus, so we'll get minus 2 e power minus sa over 2, and minus into minus is plus 1. Right? So let's substitute this into the formula, right? Let's solve them. So we'll get e by s into 1 minus e power minus sa, right? This was given in this term, right? And this term can be written as 1 minus e power minus sa by 2 whole square. Now what can we do? We can write e by s outside, and we can write 1 minus e power minus sa by 2 whole square divided by, this is in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write this 1 minus e power minus sa by 2 into 1 plus e power minus sa by 2, right? So now what can we cancel? We can cancel this term with this term. So we'll get e by s 1 minus e power minus sa by 2 over 1 plus e power minus sa by 2. We have discussed that this is nothing but tan h s into a by, if there is a 2, we'll get 4. Wasn't that simple?
Guys, if you like the way that we teach, check out our full course which contains all these topics from the basic to the level that you are required for your examination. The link is in the description. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and help them as well. And do not forget to subscribe this channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. All the very best.